Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix vibration not working on Android phone. Let's get started. First, open your settings app, go to sound and vibration, then make sure vibrate for calls or touch vibration is turned on. You can also test vibration by switching between ring, silent, and vibrate modes. If do not disturb is on, it might block vibration. Go to settings, notification, and do not disturb and turn it off. Then open battery settings and make sure your battery saver is not restricting system vibration features. Try testing vibration by calling your phone from other device. If it still doesn't vibrate, restart your phone. If the problem continues, the vibration motor might be faulty. Visit a repair center for a hardware check. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.